Here I have ALCATEL 1S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Apps section, then Special App Access, and then Install Unknown Apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Chrome, and then just tap on the slider and allow from the source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. No problem with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.